Tired of unexpected charges for NFL during the off-season? Let's get that subscription cancelled. First, if you signed up directly through the NFL website, head over to NFL and log into your account. You'll find a profile icon, usually in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This should bring you to your account settings. Look for a section labeled something like Manage Subscription or NFL Settings. It might be under a billing or payment option. Click on that to proceed. Now, you should see details about your current subscription and available options. You're looking for a button that says Cancel Subscription. Don't worry, they might try to tempt you to stay, but stay strong. You'll likely be asked to confirm your cancellation. Read the details carefully, and if you're sure, click the Confirm Cancellation button. You might need to provide a reason for canceling. Just select the option that best suits you. Now, if you subscribed through Google Play, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Payments and Subscriptions, followed by Subscriptions. Locate NFL in your list of subscriptions and tap on it. Finally, tap Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. If you subscribe through the Apple App Store, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad and tap on your name at the top. Next, tap Subscriptions. Find NFL in the list and tap on it. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm your decision. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your NFL subscription. You'll usually receive a confirmation email. Enjoy the savings.